Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Rocket Mortgage account. Follow the steps in this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you have not already yet. So first open your Google web browser and in the search icon type Rocket Mortgage and search for it, and on the top that shows Rocket Mortgage right here, click this option. So on the top right corner right here, there's a sign in option and you have to click on that to log in. And you can simply write your username and also password. And on the bottom that says sign in, you have to click on this option and this should allow you to access your Rocket Mortgage account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.